I think you're tickling him.
He's never done that to us.
I've never seen him do that.
It
tickles, it tickles, it tickles.
Foot on your hand. Like
He likes me.
He's looking for something to bite.
Please, you're scaring me.
Oh God, look out, he's got his teeth out.
Marcel,
Oh, there's his fang.
I'll get a peg for him to nibble on.
You're tickling my tushy.
How do you do this?
You could do a nice honey badger narration. Over it.
You got so scared. Tickle him again.
I've never seen him do that.
Oh my gosh. It's adorable. Mom, have you ever seen a guinea pig do that?
I have not.
I've never seen anybody tickle a guinea pig.
You're a guinea pig whisperer.
Fried guinea pigs?
I like
That
him.
was, I don't remember
No, I
that.
like
I'm gonna get
Yep,
it.
he's going for the bite.
Oh, yeah.
He was nibbling at my sweater.
I'm gonna have nightmares.